on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing, hitting the bell. So today, just kind of an update on the Ranger and what I have going on. I think I mentioned in an earlier video that the Turbo 400 that I have for the truck is a fixed yoke, which means the yoke is bolted into the rear of the transmission. And I really want to go with the slip yoke. I don't want the slip in the drive shaft. I mean, I guess it probably doesn't matter too much, but anyways, website Denny's Drive Shafts actually makes, let me move this, actually makes a fixed yoke to slip yoke that makes it a slip yoke. And the biggest difference is the splines on my Turbo 400. There's only so much of splines, and the output shaft actually gets larger with a seal. The one that Denny's has is spline, and then it's actually counterboard on the backside, so it'll slide in all the way. So that should be here in a couple days. I think it said Monday was the estimated delivery date from UPS. And then also on the transmission, I took out the transmission cooler fittings, and I believe they're 1/4" NPT. I'm trying to find hose bar fittings that can screw into the trans so I can run cooler hose from there up to the auxiliary trans cooler at the front of the truck. The nap, for the most part, minus filling the transmission, should take care of that end of it, and then now be ready for when I fire it up. I got to start working on the remainder of the harness, making a video on that. There's some other exciting stuff coming up in the upcoming weeks on the current progress of the Ranger, and a couple more how-to videos. So primarily for today, I just wanted to state that I got a yoke coming for the transmission. When it comes in, I will do a video showing the comparisons of the fixed yoke, slip yoke, what my opinion is, what I think of it. So that way, if you guys are in the same situation, you guys know, hey, yeah, it's $100, but it'll work. So, and once I figure out the transcooler lines and that, I will make a video on that, obviously. And when I get going on the rest of the wiring videos, hopefully, if things go as planned within the next month, I should be firing it up, minus some of the cooling system components like the radiator and that kind of stuff. But I can fire it up initially without that for a few seconds. So yeah, so that's all I have for today. Again, if you're new here, go and subscribe, watch some of the other videos to get you kind of caught up on where we're at. Hit the bell so as soon as I post something, boom, you'll know. And then if you like the video, like the information in it or whatnot, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions that you want to know on the yoke. Once I get it and I make sure this part is a quality part, then probably in that video I will put a link to Denny's Drive Shafts. I don't want to put anything on my videos that is going to be junk. I don't want you guys to spend the money on something that is not worth it. So I want to get my hands on it, make a video, make sure everything looks good, feels good in the transmission. And once we're good to go there, I will drop a link to their website. And then they have a whole bunch of transmission parts, different yokes. I believe they do custom drive shafts, but I'll probably get mine done locally. So yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Again, subscribe, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, watch some of the previous videos so you can get caught up on the build and what's going on. So take care, guys.